Hey guys, so today I'm going to be teaching y'all how to make a paper airplane. Woo! So first step, get a piece of paper. So, first step, just grab a piece of paper, random piece of paper, I don't know, one you're not using, and fold these where it kind of looks like that. Hold on. So where it looks like that, then you want to fold this, but make it like, hold on, where it looks something like this. Then you want to fold the wings. So these will be the wings. So you want to fold them like this. This tutorial probably won't be helpful to anyone. But when you're done, it should look like this. Then, when you're done with that wing, fold the other wing. Try to fold them like evenly. Then next, you just want to do that. And there, paper airplane, all nice and finished. So if this tutorial wasn't helpful, you can go ahead and click off the video. It probably wasn't. So yeah, paper airplane tutorial. Woohoo. So, yeah. Should look something like this. Hey, that actually flies, and I messed up on it multiple times. So, yeah, hope y'all enjoyed the video. I'd say it probably wasn't helpful at all, but it might have been. Who knows? Like, look. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna straighten these out. You probably watch other paper airplane tutorials, because I know this one probably isn't helpful. But I do know how to make one. So, yeah. That's about it for this video, I guess. So, I hope y'all enjoyed. Make sure if you did to like and subscribe. Let me know what you thought. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.